This tutorial will cover the molecular and ionic equation. We're given with lead nitrate aqueous reacts with sodium iodide aqueous. The first thing that we will do is to find its product. To find its product, we will use the double displacement method. Let lead be A, nitrate be B, sodium be C, and iodide be D. So we will have lead iodide as solid because according to the rule, any halide that was combined by lead will be in solid state, and sodium nitrate is aqueous. Next is rewrite the balance equation for the reaction. Since in the reactants there are two nitrates, while in the product there's only one, we will add 2 here. So we have now 2 sodiums and 2 nitrates. Also, we have 2 iodines. While in the reactants there's only 1 sodium and also 1 iodine. So we will have 2 here so that they will now be balanced. The reactants and the products are now balanced. Let's check. We have 1 lead in the reactants. Also, we have 1 lead in the product. We have 2 nitrates in the reactants. We also have 2 nitrates in the product. And also, we have 2 sodiums. We have 2 sodiums and 2 iodines and 2 iodines. We now have the molecular equation for the reaction. Now let's find its ionic equation by showing the dissociated ion that was formed in the solution. For the reactants, we have lead with 2 ions as aqueous, also 2 nitrates with aqueous, 2 sodiums aqueous, 2 iodines aqueous. And for the products, we have lead iodide, a solid. Compounds in solid form can't be dissociated. Note for that. Also 2 sodiums, now it can be dissociated because it is an aqueous. And also 2 nitrates aqueous. Now let's identify and cancel the spectator ions on both sides of the equation to arrive at the net ionic equation. We have 2 nitrates in the reactants and also 2 nitrates in the product, so we can cancel it. Also, we have 2 sodiums in the reactants and 2 sodiums in the product, so we can also cancel it. Since we do not have any more compounds that can be cancelled, we will now arrive at the net ionic equation. So we now have lead with 2 positive ions aqueous, reacts with 2 iodines with negative ions aqueous, will produce lead iodide in solid state. That's all, and thank you for watching the tutorial.